Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone. Today I would like to present me and my partner Hamza for our business plan. For our products, let's say, is HealNest, which is our web app for psychological consultations and also journaling and other things that is related for psychological health. So first, let's talk about the meaning behind the name and the tagline. So the name HealNest comes from two words, which is heal, that represents the core purpose of the platform, which is to provide tools and resources for emotional and mental recovery. And then there's also nest, that symbolizes a safe, nurturing, and private space. A nest is where growth happens and where one feels secure and protected. And our tagline, which is your safe space to heal, grow, and understand. The word safe space inside our tagline emphasizes privacy and security, and heal focuses on recovery and well-being. Grow highlights personal development and resilience, and understand promotes self-awareness and insight. The origin story of our project or business plan which is born from a personal understanding of mental health challenges and the need for accessible and reliable support in this era, which especially Gen Z and young millennials, where mental awareness is something that has been growing in recent years. People tend to look for something or somewhere where they can start to heal from themselves and then seek help from other people. And then our mission is to empower individuals to prioritize their mental well-being by providing a comprehensive, personalized, and also a secure platform for healing and growth. Our vision is to become the leading global platform for mental health self-care, fostering a community where everyone feels understood and supported. And now let's talk about our market opportunity and also the target audience of our platform. So the market opportunity is for people for the current growing awareness of mental health needs, like I said before, and also the increased demand for accessible digital solutions. So people in this current era where everything is related to the phone, laptop, the internet, people tend to look for much simpler solutions on the internet compared to coming to a psychologist and then having a personal session with them. And also kept in personalized and secure self-help tools. So this platform is very, very personalized for you, where you can do things you don't tend to share to other people. You can share it in this platform without having to feel any feeling of like people, such as looking at your speaking at the things that you talk here, which is usually private. And lastly, it can shift towards a proactive well-being management. And the target audience is, of course, like I said, mainly people like Gen Zs, age 15 to 25, and also young millennials who are aged 25 and above, up to 35, I think. And now we are also people who are more focused on individuals who are seeking self-help for anxiety, stress, and mood. So in our app, we can help you find out what is the cause of your stress, your anxiety, and also help you find what is my current state of mental health. And then also it can help people who are looking for privacy and convenience in mental care. Sometimes people feel very heavy or doesn't like to share something with other people, because when talking to a psychologist, you have to talk about what is your problem, what is causing you to feel like this. That's how psychologists and therapists find out what is going on. But in our platform, you can do it by yourself with the help of AI and also many different automations that can help you do it by yourself on the platform to find out what is going on with you and also the solutions. And our target audience is also the users who are interested in personalized well-being journeys. Along the way in our platform, as the more you use it, it will become much more personalized, much more, let's say, fits how you like it. And last is to those who prefer a supportive community environment. And the products or features that we offer in our web app is personalized self-help tools, like I said before, such as tailored exercises, meditations, and also journaling prompts. In our app or web app, you can make journals where you can share about what happened throughout your day, or maybe things that you want to let go and let out, but you feel like you don't want to talk to people. You can write it to our journaling app, and you can help it. And our web app can help you make a template or can help you write it, and then you can improve it from there. And we also have expert-led guidance with content created and reviewed by mental health professionals, such as psychologists and therapists. And also we have community support spaces which are moderated forums for peer support and shared experience. And there is also privacy and data security with robust encryption and strict data protection policies. And now let's talk about our operational plan and strategy. At launch and the scale of launch, we want a phased rollout starting with key markets. So we will start slowly when launching our web app with focusing on only certain target audience. We have also a scalable cloud infrastructure for user growth and continuous feedback loop for product iteration. For our marketing and sales strategy, for digital marketing, we will start with search engine optimization, which we will do to help people when searching for mental health, being able to find our web app much easier. And also such as social media campaigns, such as Heal with HealNest, Grow with HealNest, and many more. And also content marketing by creating content and then uploading it into our social media. Next, we also have partnerships with mental health organizations and influencers. We can usually partner up with organizations or maybe colleges or simply a doctor who is a certified doctor, and also other influencers who talk a lot about mental health well-being. And lastly, we will do targeted ad campaigns and also community engagement. The structure of our team and management starts with the CEO or the founder, who focuses on the business's vision, strategy, and funding. And then there's our CTO, who focuses on app development and technical architecture. And then there's our head of product that focuses on UX research, roadmap, and also the product feature prioritization. And our lead psychologist, who controls the quality of our psychologists that we work with, and also the partnership, and also help us find partnerships with mental health professionals and organizations. And then there, of course, is our UI/UX designer, who will help us design our web app. He will design our user flows, interface, and also the mobile experience that will we later release as we keep going with our project. And then next is the content marketer, who will focus more on doing the campaigns, managing our social media, and our branding. Lastly is the support team that focuses on user assistance, feedback collection, and also moderation. And this is our finance plan, starting with the revenue model that will. So this is our web app is a much more compared to free. It's more a freemium, where you will have free features and also other premium features that you will have to pay if you want to access it, such as subscription-based access to premium features, which, for example, you have to spend at maybe, let's say, 15,000 rupiah if you want access to our premium features per month. And then there's also tiered pricing for individual and family plans. So there's also different tiers which will open different premium features. So the more you pay, the more access you have, and also the more devices that can access at a single time. And also a potential for B2B partnerships with our corporate wellness with psychologists. So we'll have a mutual and then group connection with our partners, psychologists, and also organizations. Our projections are conservative growth in the first year, and then we will continue accelerating in the second and third year. Next is we will break even point projected within 18 to 24 months. And lastly is strong user retention expected due to personalized content. And our funding needs is seed round for initial development and launch, such as the web app development, and also hiring developers to help us make the web app, and also the UX designer like before. And now there's the Series A for scaling operations and marketing expansion. And lastly, focus on sustainable growth and profitability. And now here are the additional values that you can get from using our web app. The first is expert-led guidance. Content and tools are developed and created by licensed mental health professionals, ensuring credibility and effectiveness. And there is personalized self-help tools that utilizes AI and user input to tailor exercises, meditation, and journaling prompts to individual needs and progress. And there is also privacy and data security, adheres to the highest standards of data encryption and privacy regulation, ensuring a secure and confidential user experience. And there are lastly community support spaces that provides moderated, safe forums for users to connect, share experience, and offer help, and maybe where people can discuss more about things. Oh yeah, our peer support, fostering a sense of belonging. And lastly, here is our expansion plans for the future. So, like I said before, we will also, once we think that our web app is going on well, we will continue on developing a mobile app, which is dedicated to iOS and Android applications for seamless access, so people can easily access it from anywhere you want via your phone. Next is AI-powered mental health insights. So we will develop advanced AI to provide deeper, more predictive insights into user well-being trends. And we will later on expand into a much international market, from where we will, for the first few years, we will start in Indonesia, and if it runs well, we will expand to our neighboring countries such as Malaysia, Singapore, and then maybe Brunei, Philippines, and then we'll expand much further from there. And we will also have international language support. Depends on which country we will enter once we start expanding to other countries. So here it is, expand platform, that we will expand our platform to support multiple languages for global reach. And lastly, there is corporate wellness partnerships, which HealNest will offer as a mental health wellness solution for businesses and their employees. So we will work together with businesses and help their employees who feel like they have mental health well-being problems, and they can do it via HealNest. Okay, maybe that is all from me and Hamza. I'm sorry if there's any mistakes from me as the presenter who have been explaining this to you all. Thus I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.